Hello everyone! So today I'm going to be doing a slime kit review, and I do want to apologize in advance if I don't know the proper slime terms or whatever, but I got this slime kit off of Amazon and I will leave the link in the description box below in case you want to check it out yourself. So for starters, it comes with this instruction book which has a lot of information in it and a lot of different recipes you can use because this kit comes with a ton of stuff. So for starters, here are some of the sprinkles it comes with. It also comes with some snow type of stuff and cherries to put on top. Also comes with a measuring spoon, which is super duper helpful. And here's some of the colorings, and it comes with different scents you can use for your slime to make it smell good. And it comes with these little ice cream containers, which are so cute. And then these are my personal favorite sprinkles because they're kind of soft, so it gives a really good texture to the slime. It also comes with this soft clay, which means you can make a bunch of different textured slimes, which is so nice. It was actually my favorite thing to use in the whole kit. And then it comes with just the basic stuff, so some containers, some measuring beakers. It also just comes with typical borax, some clear glue, and magic foam soap. And can we just talk about how cute these labels are? I really love them. So here I'm just going to start out with the basic recipe, which is 30 mLs of clear glue, and then 10 pumps of the magic foam soap. And then this would be the part where you add any dyes or scents if you would like. But you just mix that really well together before adding the borax. So then you would add the borax, and you want to make sure it's all nice and even. I didn't make the borax very even in mine, and you can see that when I start mixing it. I actually made a mistake right here. You're supposed to add another capful of borax once the first capful is thoroughly mixed in, which I did not do here, but I ended up doing it later on, but you can see that's why it's so sticky right here. Then I decided I wanted to add some dye to it, which I should have done in the beginning, but I didn't, and it turned out okay. It just, the dye got on my hands more. So here I attempted to make the vanilla recipe, but I ended up adding too much yellow, but it's okay. I'm going to show you later on in the video how it actually turned out to work out really well. But I wanted to play with the clay, so I added some clay to this, and this is where I really started to like the consistency. So here I'm going to show you one of the cutest parts of this slime kit, and it's the little ice cream container. The only thing is it doesn't hold a lot of slime, but it does come with a couple of them, so you could use that. And it also comes with the bigger containers as well, so you could just put a little bit just for a cute little moment. And there it is. It would look so cute also if you added some sprinkles into the slime. So yeah, you could do so much with those little containers. I just love it so much. So here I'm bringing back the pink slime because I wanted to add clay to that one as well. And I wanted to play around with this little ice cream container that I had. It didn't come with the kit, but I thought it would be a really cute little prop to play with. So I'm trying to make it look like a little ice cream swirl here, which I didn't do that great of a job with, but I think it turned out okay. Now the fun part. I couldn't wait to play with these sprinkles, so I'm just pouring some on top of this slime here, and then I just thought I would have some fun with it. And then I wanted to show you the texture, how good the texture is with the clay mixed into the basic slime recipe. then I just wanted to have a little bit of fun, so I made the basic slime recipe and I spread it out on my pan, and then here I'm making little clay whipped creams. Then of course I had to get my favorite sprinkles and add them in as well. Then I'm busting out the other set of sprinkles, so we're going to start with these. And these had a bit of a harder texture than the rainbow sprinkles, but they are really pretty, and they added a nice colorful pop to the slime. Then the snow powder, which I'm not really sure what this is. I'm sure there is something special to it, but I just thought I would add it just because. And I was super excited for this part, which was the cherries. They are so cute and they have a really nice texture. They're really bouncy and soft. I thought they were going to be hard, but they're not. But unfortunately, they ended up falling out of the slime. So even though they're super, super cute, they won't stay in the slime once you start playing with it. So this is where my failed vanilla slime came into play. Once I mixed it in with the white clay and the white slime, it actually came out to a really nice vanilla or even a birthday cake looking color, and it's really, really pretty at the end, and it legit looks like birthday cake ice cream. At this point you can see it looks a little difficult to stretch. I thought I added too much clay to it, but that wasn't the case. Once I just kneaded it a bit, it turned out really, really nice. Like, I'm still playing with this slime. Like, just look at this texture. You can see I'm having way too much fun playing with the slime. It just came out to such a nice consistency. So overall, I really do recommend this kit if you're looking for a slime kit, because you can make just so many different combinations and just have so much fun with it. So I would recommend. So thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoy, and let me know in the comments down below if you're going to be getting this kit.